guys, Lauren here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be finding out what is actually inside bird nests. So, I've been wondering this question since I was little. So, today we are going to be finding this out. As you can see, this is an old bird feeder with a nest inside. You probably can't see this because of the camera. But before we do this, we have newspaper so we don't make a mess in my room. We are going to be taking it out on this lovely stuff, so let's dig right into this. Okay, this is very difficult because the hole is very tiny. So let's see if I could get anything. Ooh, I feel something. Okay. So we got this. Wonder what this could be. This looks like the same thing. I don't know if there's any clues to what this could be. I do see the end of this kind of familiar, and I think it might be a leaf, just dried. So that might be what it is. Ooh, we got more stuff. This looks like more leaves. This may be grass. Oh, okay. So this is a long piece that's coming out of here. And this feels like it could be like root. What do you guys think? Is it roots? It could be due to this shape and stuff, because that's a lot. And I don't think that would be a leaf. So let's dig into the next one. Any other stuff? Ooh, this is a tiny stick. And it's very tiny, as you can see. There's a stick in here. Roots and maybe leaves. I do recognize these from my backyard because we live in the country and there's a lot of that stuff. If we're lucky, we might find a feather in here. Okay, more of the typical stuff. Ooh, I think it is a leaf in here, because if you look at that, then you could see the camera is a bit blurry, so I'm going to lay it right here. There's a little bit of stuff, and I think that is leaves. It's very tiny. So, another stick. A stick. Nice. Okay, I think I found a better way of taking this out. If I dump it like this, tap on the top. I don't want to break it though. It's like opening a piggy bank. Okay. Coming in with both hands, just gotta secure the camera. Okay, there we go. Oh wow. This is a lot easier now that I'm doing both hands. I feel like a lot of stuff in here, but I don't think I could fit it through the hole all in one bunch. Oh, I found something new. Okay, so this, I think, is an actual wood chip from my garden. I never knew birds used that, so let's keep digging. See if we could uncover any more mysteries. Another stick. feel so excited about the sticks, but I don't know why. Did you guys know that Bird's favorite color is red? I actually researched this up before I made the video as like a little fun fact. And yep, it says their favorite color is red for some reason. Kind of like YouTube, so thought I'd throw that in there. Well, let's look at all the stuff we've got so far. A lot of sticks and twine. Just like they say. Maybe a wood chip? Or maybe that... What could that be? I see little seeds on that. Let's lay it down and look closer. Yeah, I see seeds on that, so I don't know if that would be like bread or something, because we do feed my chickens bread. So far we've got bread or a wood chip. We've got a stick. This isn't just one. There's a lot in this pile. We've got, I think, leaves and roots. And the rest, I think, is just sticks and twine. Oh, wait. I just saw this. Oh, not that, not that. Let's see if I could find it in the pile of things. This is new. Making a little space so I could show you guys this. Now this, sorry for the camera shaking, guys. This, I think I have one idea what this is. But you guys will have to stay to the end because I'm going to go outside and show you guys what the idea is. Well, let's see more digging. See if I can uncover anything else. I think I'm just gonna shake some of the extras right there. Maybe I could get a tool to do this. I'm trying to find a good camera position to put this in. I'm like breaking all the sticks and stuff. Oh! Just pricked my finger. There's a prickly thing in there. Maybe it's just a sharp stick, but I don't know. So today I made a bird nest, and that was actually pretty cool because I haven't done that in a while. I think the last time I made a birdhouse was before my grandpa died. So, and it's sad because I made the birdhouse with him last. Remember? Ooh. Yep, that is a leaf. That is a leaf. It's just the remains of a leaf. That's the thing. Well, guys, why I did that is because there's a literal bug crawling on it. I'm starting to freak out at this point because I let my dog sniff it and get all crazy. I'm scared of spiders, and I think that was a spider. It was very tiny, though. Okay, I'm just gonna flip it around. Bug. Hello, bug. Are you there anywhere? I don't see you. I know you're hiding somewhere. For me, this could be a horror movie. I'm just gonna. Oh, is that it? No. Okay. I'm just gonna move a bit closer. Is that it? No. I don't know why I was whispering. Oh, Buggy Bug. Buggy Boy. Bugaboo. He's there. I see him. Yeah, that's a spider. Okay. Where did he go? Where did he go? Oh my gosh. I should have just killed him. Now he's in my room somewhere. I'm so scared. Oh, great. Okay, well, that's fine. That's just fine. Oh, is that a feather? Yay, guys, we did find a feather. Okay, I think I'm going to wrap it up, and that's what the birds get in there. And I'm going to show you what I thought that mystery piece was. So I'm going to go outside. You could hear all the stuff. Okay, I'm outside. You can hear my dad say, Lauren, he's on the phone, honey. We have lots and lots of land. So, oh, chickens. Yep, that's my rooster. He is mean. Come on, Pip. Pip recently got a new collar and it's really cute. Pip, stay still. We got a model. So it's light blue and it has this little bow and she looks really cute in it. This is Ollie. He was in one of my slime making videos where I said we might get a dog. Now Pip and Ollie are best friends. Okay. I am heading this way where all the mosquitoes are. I'm making sacrifices today. Here's our garden. And bonfire pit. Fire pits. I could have just said that. Guys, you stay close. I'm running at this point. Okay. So there's this miniature tree right here. And I think that maybe one of these came. And ooh, mosquito bite. One of these came and fell. You can't really see. Need to adjust the camera. Could kind of see if I hold it there, but I think it might be one of these little pricklies. If I'm not, we have this leaf pile over here. Pip, Ollie, come. Running back over there. I tripped. Okay. Now, up here, pine cones. Still the same tree, but I think pine cones were in there. Just this, and I also think that this was one of them, but dried. That explains further grass. Because I don't think a bird would come here, land down, and pick up grass, because this, I think, would be too wide and really weird in the, oh, hey, my soccer net. Okay, Pip, that's, Pip, come. Okay, well, you guys won't see my face today, but that's going to be about it. Pip, do you want to say anything? Okay, she said subscribe and like and send this to your friend, and I'll see you guys the next time. Pip. Pip's here. Okay, bye.